Looking for the best drone in 2026? Whether you're a beginner, traveler, or content creator, choosing the right drone can be tricky. So in today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best drones of 2026, starting from the absolute best at number 1 all the way to great budget-friendly options. We'll cover camera quality, flight performance, battery life, range, and real-world usability, plus the pros and cons of each. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's jump right in. Number 1. DJI Mini 4K Fly More Combo. At number 1, we have the DJI Mini 4K Fly More Combo, the best overall drone for 2026. DJI continues to dominate the drone market, and this model proves why. It features a 4K UHD camera paired with a 3-axis gimbal, delivering incredibly smooth and professional-looking footage. You also get an impressive 10 km video transmission range, along with 93 minutes of total flight time thanks to the 3 included batteries. Plus, DJI's intelligent flight modes like quick shots make it super easy for beginners to capture cinematic shots. Pros: outstanding camera quality, 3-axis gimbal for smooth footage, 10 km transmission range, reliable and beginner-friendly, excellent battery life. Cons: slightly higher price, lacks some advanced pro features. The best all-around drone for beginners and creators who want reliability and performance. Number 2, Skyrover S1 Mini Drone. At number 2, we have the Skyrover S1 Mini Drone, a compact powerhouse packed with features. It offers 4K video at 60 FPS, 48 MP photos, and even enhanced image processing for near 8K quality images. What really stands out is the 3-axis gimbal, which ensures smooth and stable footage. It also includes auto tracking, making it perfect for vloggers and solo creators. Pros: 4K 60 FPS video, 3-axis gimbal stabilization, auto tracking feature, lightweight and portable. Cons: less established brand, real-world performance may vary, range claims may not match real usage. A great pick for creators who want advanced features in a compact drone. Number 3, Ruko F11 Pro 2. At number 3 is the Ruko F11 Pro 2, a solid mid-range drone with premium-level specs. It features a 6K camera and a true 3-axis gimbal, giving you smoother, more cinematic footage compared to budget drones. You also get 70 minutes of flight time with 2 batteries and strong GPS features like auto return and stable hovering. Pros: high-resolution 6K camera, 3-axis gimbal, long flight time, good stability and GPS features. Cons: bulkier than mini drones, not ideal for travel, app could be improved. Perfect for users who want better video quality without going full premium. Number 4, Potensic ATOM SE Drone. At number 4, we have the Potensic ATOM SE, one of the best lightweight drones under 249 grams. It features a 4K camera with EIS stabilization and a 4 km transmission range, making it a great option for casual shooting and travel. The Fly More combo includes extra batteries for a total of 93 minutes of flight time, which is impressive in this category. Pros: ultra lightweight and portable, long total battery life, easy to use for beginners, good value for money. Cons: no 3-axis gimbal, average performance in wind, limited advanced features. A reliable and affordable drone for travelers and beginners. Number 5, S119 4K Drone. At number 5, we have the S119 4K Drone, a budget-friendly option with surprising features. It includes dual cameras, GPS auto return, and even obstacle avoidance, which is rare at this price point. With 3 batteries offering up to 75 minutes of flight time, it's a great entry-level drone for casual users. Pros: very affordable, long flight time, GPS auto return, easy to fly. Cons: basic camera quality, limited range, weaker stabilization. A great starter drone for beginners who want solid features on a budget. So, that's our list of the top 5 best drones in 2026, ranked from best to budget. If you want the best overall performance, go with the DJI Mini 4K. For creators, the Skyrover S1 Mini is packed with features. For balance, the Ruko F11 Pro 2 is a solid choice. And for beginners, both the ATOM SE and S119 are great options. Links are in the description if you want to check current prices. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.